5 things to consider before choosing your content pillars. But first, what are content pillars? These are the big topics you talk about consistently. Content pillars help you stay focused, attract the right audience, and create content with purpose. Before choosing yours, consider these 5 things. Number 1, business goals. Where do you want to be in 3 to 6 months? Your content should align with your goals, whether it's brand awareness, lead generation, or community building. Number 2, target audience. Who are you talking to? Research their pain points, interests, and behaviors, so your content speaks to them. Number 3, core offers. What are you selling? Your offers should be positioned as the solution to your audience's challenges. Number 4, existing marketing assets. What do you already have? Check your testimonials, photos, videos, and branding materials. Repurpose what's available or create new assets if you have time. Number 5, time availability. Be realistic. If you can post 3 to 5 times a week, that's great. However, if you're very busy, 1 to 2 times a week is fine. Aim for consistency over quantity. Choose what's sustainable for you. Your content strategy should work for your audience and your lifestyle. Save this post for later so you won't forget.